We are the only program in the state that is sponsored by John Deere Corporation. I'm Jake Selvage. I'm the Director and Advanced Instructor of the Agriculture Equipment Technology program with ASU-Beebe. There's about 40 or 50,000 technicians needed right now, with only about 11,000 that are placed them. So it's something that we have high demand for. The John Deere Equipment Technology program with ASU-Beebe is something that's an all-encompassing program that will allow students to get the skill sets they need to have a lifelong career as a technician with John Deere.
My name's Joseph Glover. I'm a second year and my degree is Associate Applied Science in Agriculture Equipment. The schematics for electrical and hydraulics are very challenging. It took some time to really get used to them, but after them teaching us, it's a lot easier to understand now. Trace down wires, figure out where they go. What I would tell someone considering the program is, if you want to work on John Deere equipment, it's a good thing. And if you also want to go to college, you can do this here. And even if you don't end up working on Greenway, you get a degree that you can take to a lot of places, and it's really nice.
I'm Tommy Hall, Vice President of Service Operations for Greenway Equipment Incorporated. With the technologies highly advanced, it takes a highly skilled workforce to be able to work on them, repair them, and provide solutions. With ASU-Beebe training and mentoring and development, they help provide that in order for us to take care of our customer solutions as they graduate and become full-time technicians in the workforce.